Welcome to Knightline for Monday, November 30th, 2020. I am Daniel Marino Brito with school news and announcements for Jose Marti MAST 6 to 12 Academy. To begin, here's our local weather report. Here's Alex.
I am Alex Canton with your Knightline weather. It's 75 degrees with 82% humidity and partly cloudy skies as we begin the day. Expect partly sunny skies with high temperatures in the high 70s today. The Miami area will see isolated thunderstorms starting early this afternoon and running through the late tonight. The high today is projected to be 83 with an overnight low of 57. Winds are expected from the southwest today with gusts as high as 15 miles per hour. Winds will start blowing from the west-northwest and then from the north as cold front moves through the area on Tuesday and Wednesday. And the Weather Channel is reporting that Winter Storm Dane will impact the Great Lakes, Ohio Valley, and Appalachians with accumulating snowfall to start the week, while also bringing a soaking to the East Coast. The storm's cold side will lead to snow or rain changing to snow from the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley to the Appalachians as far south as the Smoky Mountains. That's all for your Knightline weather. Back to you.
Thank you, Alex. It looks like that cool down we've been waiting for is almost here. The PTSA is hosting an ugly sweater dress down event on Friday, December 11th. Pull out the ugliest holiday sweaters or shirts you can find and let's dress down. The dress down is $2 and can be paid to the PTSA using Venmo or PayPal in advance. No cash payment will be accepted on the day of the event, so please make your payments in advance. Again, use Venmo or PayPal to pay the PTSA using their handle. Prizes will be awarded to the ugliest sweater. Let's get into the holiday spirit, and we hope to see everyone dressed down on December 11th. The 2021 yearbook is on sale now at yearbookforever.com. Search for Jose Marti MAST Academy to pre-order your book today for only $35. Sales are online only at yearbookforever.com. Want to get community service hours helping other students with their math homework? Want to join a club with other math-loving students? Maybe even participate in math competitions? Mu Alpha Theta meets every first Wednesday of the month starting at 3:30 p.m. Join the Remind group to receive a link to the Zoom meeting. Ever wonder what's going on in the world? Here is Anthony with today's Planet Report.
I am Anthony Lara with Planet Report. CNN is reporting that NASA engineers have begun assembling the massive rocket designed to return manned missions to the moon later this decade as part of the Artemis program. The first booster segment of the Space Launch System was stacked on top of the mobile launcher at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida earlier this week in preparation for its maiden flight. A total of 10 segments will form the twin solid rocket boosters before its first liftoff, which is expected to take place next year. The rocket is a key part of NASA's Artemis lunar exploration program, which aims to send the first woman and next man to the moon by 2024. NASA officials also hope the SLS will be used to reach Mars and other deep space destinations. Once fully assembled, NASA said the SLS rockets will stand taller than the Statue of Liberty and have about 15% more thrust at liftoff than the Saturn V rockets that powered the Apollo missions about 50 years ago, making it the most powerful rocket ever built. That's all for Planet Report. Back to you.
Thank you, Anthony. The National Art Honor Society meets the first Friday of every month from 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. NAHS is open to all students who have taken or are currently taking a high school level art class. Contact Ms. Morales for more information. Students Working Against Tobacco, or SWAT, is on a mission to reduce tobacco use, expose manipulative marketing of tobacco, and empower youth to stand up against big tobacco. SWAT meetings are on the first Thursday of the month. Join them on Microsoft Teams with the join code below. That's it for us today. I'm Daniel Marino Brito with Knightline. Thank you to Alex and Anthony who also contributed to our show. We'll see you next time.